In this video, I will show you how to get anime effects in your video. Import clips to your timeline, and then trim the clips accordingly. After you trim that clips, click on Effects, search for Cartoon. Click on Comic Book and drag and drop it to Timeline. Now click the clip. Reduce the opacity for the effect. Add another effect called Cartoon Filter 1. Now the video looks like an anime. I want to add the typical anime effect during a fight scene. Drag and drop the comic speed lines. Do the same for anime flame effect. Make any changes you want to make. Let's add some stickers. I'm going to add this text and then add some more impact animation. This is the final outcome. That's the easiest way to make your video look like anime.